he's the only male. All the rest are females. See? So adult males, that's the only male. These are all females. Adult males 4 to 5 times larger, and they have that head. And the females are all cute.
Hello, so I'm at the zoo, and God just wants me to come out more in nature and to see animals, you know what I mean, and just be around more people. I guess it helps with the soul, right? To connect with, people, nature, animals. It just helps you with, your soul, becoming more just loving and compassionate, right? Because obviously these are God's creations, right? Nature is God's creation, animals are God's creation, and obviously human beings, right? We're God's creation. So that's why God wants me to just come out more, you know what I mean? And just, explore, right? So that's why I'm at the zoo today, okay? To see the animals, okay? So, because the whole point of Christianity is to live in the spirit, okay? We are to live in the spirit. It's not about our flesh, okay, but it's about nourishing our spirits, and maturing spiritually, right? So that's what it's all about. So, but it's been helping, coming out in nature and just being around people in my community and my city, and being around animals. It's been helping as far as like helping me be more grounded, more loving, more compassionate. I mean, it's been helping me, develop, spiritually. So it's been helping me a lot. So the message is to, continue to live in the spirit, right? And to continue to follow Jesus Christ, because he is the way, the truth, and the life, right? Jesus opened up my eyes, right? He awakened me spiritually and just helped me see the world so differently, okay? I used to be a girl that just stayed home, right? I was a homebody, but, now he has me going out, okay? And he's really opened up my eyes, and he helped me see life in its truth, okay? I was just a girl that would just stay home, and I would stay on my cell phone, I would just watch television from home, right? And now I'm actually out in the real world, right? And I see life in its truth. So that's what Jesus did for me, right? He took me out, I'm out here in nature and seeing all the animals and just communicating with strangers. So that's what he did for me. So, and it's been helping me, okay, as far as my spiritual development. So that's it. May God bless everyone that sees this. And also, God also has me eating healthier, right? So I think these are blueberries. So these are blueberries and strawberries. So God has me eating healthier now too. And the blueberry. And I've also been drinking a lot of water, okay? H2O, it's good for you. Okay?
Wait, he's coming over. No, he's coming over here, I think.
¿Cuánto pesan? Por ahí.
Ahí está la diferencia entre el búfalo y el bison. El búfalo tiene cuernos más largos, tiene un pelo más uniforme.
Así se ve.
encuentra en África y en Asia, y también bison es en América y Europa.
Bueno, vamos. No nos detengamos tanto. Impresionante es.
Oh, wow, that's a bison. A bison.
Though he said, "Oh," when he saw that shit.
Hello. So I just came back from the Bronx Zoo, right? And there were hardly any animals there. But you could kind of see there were hardly any animals, okay? I think I only saw like a bison. It's animals I never really heard of, okay? I think I saw like a sea lion. I don't know, but there were hardly any animals there. So it was almost like a waste of time going there, but I got some animals, so. So we're at the market and we're about to get some fruits and vegetables because God wants me to eat healthier. So I'm gonna get grapes, bananas, oranges, This is lettuce and tomatoes. Those are blueberries and strawberries. Now I'm about to make a sandwich. So that's wheat bread, that's ham, cheese, American cheese. And these are tomatoes. I'm just gonna slice them. That's mayo. That's lettuce. Now I'm about to make a berry banana blend smoothie. Now I'm at the supermarket. We're about to get veggie meatballs, smoked ham. Those are frozen fruits for my smoothie. That's canned tomato sauce. So I just came back from the grocery store. God wants me to eat healthier, so I got frozen fruits for my smoothie, veggie meatballs for my spaghetti, smoked ham for my sandwich, and tomato sauce for my spaghetti.